Welcome to the July 2023 real estate market update for Las Vegas. This is episode 1. We realize that the market is always changing in Las Vegas and there's new things that are impacting the real estate industry. So we're going to be keeping you up to date every month. This is episode 1 and we're going to look back on all that's unfolded over the course of 2023 so far. So we all know that interest rates have increased dramatically at their fastest pace in history. And so when that first happened, we saw the inventory of homes go from roughly 2,000 single-family homes on the market to over 9,000 single-family homes on the market. A huge increase. And at the same time, we were selling about 4,000 to 4,500 single-family homes every month in Las Vegas. Well, that number dropped to about 1,800 single-family homes selling in the Las Vegas market. So 9,000 single-family homes on the market and only 1,800 single-family homes selling. We saw the price decrease. That's where we saw the huge hit right off the bat. We saw the 10+% drop in pricing. Since that point, we've leveled out really, really well. So we dropped from 9,000 to 8,000 to 7,000 to 5,000 to 4,000 to 3,800, 37, 36. Now we're at 3,400 single-family homes on the market roughly. So that's a very healthy balance. However, our home sales have leveled off around 2,100 to 2,200 single-family home sales every month still. That's been a trend for the last 3-4 months. So our sales volume is still half of what it was for the last several years. And at the same time, our inventory is getting compressed. So this has caused supply and demand to balance back out. We're now seeing competition for homes that are in great condition and well priced. Homes that are, in need of some rehab, a little bit dated, or people still trying to see crazy pricing for their homes, they're not getting it and those are still sitting on the market. But if you price your home well and it's in relatively good condition, there's a good chance that it's going to sell fast and for a great dollar amount, simply because of the inventory problem. So Las Vegas is looking very resilient and very strong, even though we've seen such strong increases in mortgage rates. I expect that to continue. It would take a huge shock to the system, a very sizable increase in interest rates. We'd have to go into the 8s and 9s for us to see another pullback. Right now, the inventory levels is keeping us so compressed that we're fighting for good homes, and that's gonna continue. We have 135 new residents moving to Las Vegas every day. That's a net number. So with 135 new residents moving here every day, we simply are not building the amount of homes necessary to house those people. And we won't be for a very long time. So this is going to be a problem that persists for many years. So our inventory problem is going to persist for many years. We're likely seeing the Californication of Las Vegas. So we're turning into what LA and San Francisco and the Bay Area were in the 1980s, 1990s, where things just got tight in terms of development. We couldn't develop anymore. And so the price of homes got more expensive. People started renovating interior of the city and prices skyrocketed. Las Vegas is kind of experiencing that right now and probably will over the next decade. So interest rates are still very impactful on our market, and if rates go up a lot, we could see further impact. But on the whole, we look resilient. Real estate looks very strong, and it looks like a good solid place to hold your money over the long term, especially here in Las Vegas. Las Vegas is seeing a ton of money come into Las Vegas. We currently have $32 billion being invested into new projects, the MSG Sphere, the Formula One racing facilities, the Fontainebleau, the Durango Station, all incredible things that are happening here. In addition, we have Oakview Group just announced $10 billion for a campus. It's going to house a stadium and a new hotel and casino. We have the movie industry considering moving to Las Vegas and developing a campus here as well, which would be huge in the diversification of our economy. So overall, Las Vegas looks very strong. I think we have a wonderful decade ahead of us. There may be some national pressure on our economy as everything unfolds here, especially in the commercial real estate world over the next year, 2 years. But on whole, Las Vegas looks like one of the best cities in the United States as an economy, and as a housing environment for years to come. So I'm very pro Vegas. I think you all are too, and look forward to next month's market update.